Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple DIY bench out of just a couple of boards. This is so simple. I got this idea and I followed the tutorial of another DIY YouTuber, so I'm going to link their info below because I did get it all from them, and you gotta give credit where credit's due. So let's get right into it. First, let's talk about the materials you're going to need. So in terms of boards, you're going to need one 2x4 by 8 foot board. Then you're going to need one 2x8 by 8 foot board. You're also going to need 2-inch to 2.5-inch screws. Either one will do. You're going to need a sanding block. You're going to need a drill, and you're going to need your miter saw to make your cuts. So the first cut we're going to make is simple. We're going to take our 2x8 by 8 foot board and we're going to cut it directly in half. The next cut we're going to make is with our 2x4 by 8 foot board, and we're going to cut 4 pieces to 15.5 inches long, and then we're going to cut 4 pieces to 8.5 inches long. Once you've made all these cuts, you should have all of your pieces ready and cut, and you should be ready to assemble everything. First, we're going to take our two 15.5-inch boards and we're going to put in the 8-inch boards perpendicular to them. So one on the top and one on the bottom. It's going to end up making a long rectangle. My recommendation is to pre-drill your holes. You're going to screw these in like so. So repeat the same process for the other leg. Now that your legs are done, the only thing left to do is attach the top bench. Place your 2x8s like so, and make sure that you measure on each side of where you want to put your legs. I made mine have a 1.5-inch overhang. Again, in order to attach the legs, we are going to pre-drill just because it makes it so much easier. And then we are going to take our legs and we're going to put 4 different screws. So 2 for the one board and then 2 for the second board, for a total of 4 screws to attach the top. We're going to go over to the other side and do the exact same thing. Once you've attached your legs, you're all done. Flip your bench over and look at your masterpiece. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy DIY bench tutorial. Feel free to drop your comments below if you ended up using this tutorial and you found it helpful, and send me a picture of where you put it, whether it's in your house, on your porch, wherever it is. I would love to see it. Make sure that you like this video if you found it entertaining and useful, and make sure you follow along on Instagram at Carrie.Gillaspie. I would love to hear about your DIYs there, and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos in the future. Thanks guys, bye-bye.